Threading drive shaft for mud boat on a mini lathe. This is 3/4 by 10 shaft. It's 4130 steel, 7 foot long, and a little 7 by 14 Chinese mini lathe. Way more than this machine is supposed to do, that's for sure. See, the motor controller went out on it, so I got a toggle switch hooked up to batteries to power the motor. It'll be 12 volts in low gear. It runs about 180 RPMs. Getting ready to face the front of the shaft. Got 24 volts hooked up to the motor now, so it's running about 250 RPMs. That was the fastest I could turn it before the shaft started vibrating real bad in the lathe. Alright, getting ready to drill a center hole for a dead center while I turn the threads on the shaft. Turned out looking okay. Alright, I'm just marking how far I need to cut the threads with a Sharpie. Alright, got the dead center in the center hole, and now I'm turning it down. I only needed to take a few thousandths off the total outside diameter of the shaft. It's about 5 thousandths under 3/4 of an inch. Now I'm making my first pass with the threading tool. I didn't cut a relief at the end of the thread, so I'm just using the cross slide to pull out real quick at the end of the threads. Then I'll go back, dial it back to 0, and make another pass. Having to dial a total of 70 thousandths or 75 thousandths on the cross or on the compound, so lots and lots of cuts required. We're getting close to the end here, though. Obviously, I skipped a whole bunch of passes. I'm going to pull the tailstock piece out, do a test fit with a nut. Still a little tight on the ends. I'm going to make one more pass on it. Alright, finished getting it threaded up. My phone ran out of memory, so I had to delete some stuff and try to make room just for this, but got it all pulled off. Prop nuts go on nice and tight, not too much play at all. Worked out good.